Hello friends, I am Rita Jaiswal and welcome to SHUBH VASTU. In a few days from now, we will be celebrating the festival of Diwali. And on the auspicious occasion of Diwali, I bring to you some simple Vastu tips which will help you to increase positive energies of your house. So in this video, we will learn the importance of home cleaning before Diwali, importance of maintaining a clean entrance door on Diwali, and importance of Gomti Chakra and Chaumukhi Diya. Let us start with learning the importance of home cleaning before Diwali. Diwali is usually preceded by the annual ritual of house cleaning in most of our homes. It is a common belief that Mother Mahalakshmi, the goddess of wealth and prosperity, resides where there is cleanliness. Apart from this age-old cultural belief, there is also a scientific reason behind the annual Diwali cleaning. Diwali is usually celebrated in the months of October or November. At this time of the year, the monsoon season has receded and the winter season begins to start. During the monsoon season, there is lot of humidity in the atmosphere, and this leads to minute fungus on the walls, furniture, corner, etc. of the house. This is the primary reason why home cleaning is done before Diwali, and it makes sense that we do it. So this Diwali, let us clean our house in such a way that along with cleanliness, we also increase positive energies of our house. To do this, start with discarding unwanted things from your home. If you have a lot of unwanted and unused things lying in your house for a long time, like old books, magazines, broken toys, non-working electronic appliances, old clothes, shoes, etc., then you should either donate or discard these items, as these items absorb the energies of the house. Energies get blocked in such unwanted and unused things, and it also restricts the flow of energy. Hence, it is very important to remove such things from the house so that the free flow of energy is maintained in the house. Once all these unwanted and unused things is removed from the house, then we can start with cleaning the house. While cleaning the house, add a pinch or two of sea salt in the water which you use for cleaning the house. Sea salt has an ability to absorb negative energy, and it also helps in purifying the atmosphere of the house. Now we know the importance of home cleaning before Diwali. Let us now understand the importance of maintaining a clean entrance door on Diwali. The entrance door is considered as the face of our house. And it is also believed that on the day of Diwali, Goddess Mahalakshmi enters our house through our main door. Hence, it is very important that the entrance door of our house is clean and well lighted so that our house feels welcoming to others. Also, place a toran made up of leaves of trees from mango or ashok. These leaves have an ability to absorb negative energies which get absorbed at the entrance door itself. Do remember to remove or change the toran once the leaves are dried up. On the day of Diwali, it is also considered auspicious to draw footprints of Mahalakshmi in front of the main door with haldi, kumkum or rangoli powder. These footprints should be in such a way that they are entering inside the house. You can also use stickers for these footprints. Now we know the importance of maintaining a clean entrance door on Diwali. Let us now learn about the importance of Gomti Chakra and Chaumukhi Diya. Gomti Chakra is a natural and powerful circular seashell which is mainly found on the banks of Gomti river in Dwarka, Gujarat. The imprint or the natural design on the Gomti Chakra symbolizes Mahalakshmi. Hence, Gomti Chakra is worshipped on Diwali. Gomti Chakra is easily available online and in the local market. On the day of Diwali, take 11 Gomti Chakras and purify it with Ganga Jal, that is holy water, and keep it on a red cloth. Worship the Gomti Chakra along with Goddess Lakshmi. Next day, tie the Gomti Chakra in the same red cloth and keep it in the locker or cash box of your house. This helps us in getting the blessing of Goddess Lakshmi. On the day of Diwali, also light a Chaumukhi Diya. Chaumukhi means four-sided and Diya means earthen lamp. The four sides of the diya represents the four main directions of a house, and lighting it symbolizes that there will be light in all the four directions of a house. On the day of Diwali, along with Mahalakshmi, also worship Lord Ganesh, the remover of all obstacles, and Goddess Saraswati, the source of knowledge, so that problems and obstacles stay away from our house and we receive knowledge, prosperity and wealth. So this Diwali, let us increase the purity of our heart along with the positivity of our house, and along with sweet we also spread love and happiness to all. May this Diwali, Goddess Lakshmi bless you all with love, prosperity and good health. I hope you like this video. For question, queries and video suggestion, please write in the comment section. Till then, Shubh Vastu and happy living.